everyone, today I have a mini haul from Kawaii Slime Company. This is their cute logo in the box. I found their website when I was looking for kawaii charms for nail art, and everything just looks so cute that I placed an order. The problem is that there was no dimensions given on their website at all, and I stupidly assumed that slime charms would be tiny enough for nails. Apparently that is not the case. I'm going to show you what I got. Let's get started. First I want to show you the inside of the box. Look how cute this is. They did such a good job with their packaging. Amazing. So this is what I mean. These are the slime charms. I did not expect them to be life-size. I just assumed they would have to fit into a slime jar. They were going to be tiny, not this large. I don't know, maybe I can get away with this for Instagram, but not in real life. That is massive. I just don't see how this would work. I was expecting them to be tiny, like 1 centimeter maybe at the most. These are the dragon fruit I got. I can't stop laughing. I don't even think I could get away with that on Instagram. These are waffle cones. Not quite real life size, but they're not going to work for my nail art either. This is supposed to be rice, but they're actually larger than real life grains of rice. This is what they look like. You can see they're much larger than normal rice. I'll probably still find some use for this, but it's not going to work for what I intended it for. These are mandarin oranges. I did see Brittany Tokyo use something like this, and it did look incredibly cool, but I think these are even larger than the ones she used. That is true to life size for sure. These are little fish-shaped charms. I guess these are supposed to be like, I think you pronounce it taiyaki. Those little pastries you can get at the Asian markets. Those will work. These ones I'll actually use. These are supposed to be little gummy candies with sugar coating. I'll definitely use these too. I like the gradient color on them. I got 2 packages of these mini marshmallow charms. They're really soft and foamy. They're a little bit larger than what I was hoping for, but I might still be able to make it work. These are supposed to be bobas for bubble tea, mango and lychee, I guess. I might still use these. I really like the color. They're hard like marbles. You can hear them hitting each other. These are soft pom-poms. I got these because I like the combination of the mint and pink colors together. Again, these are just so much bigger than I was hoping for. Maybe I can trim them down a little bit. They are really soft and squishy. These are jelly beans. I really like the colors. Just a little bit too big. This is what they look like. They're a little bit bigger than life size and a little bit skinnier. They're more of a sausage shape than a jelly bean, I think. And then I got a few packages of their confetti in different colors. These ones are just plain sprinkles. This one is confetti with little stars in it as well. These ones are round. I just want to open this one to show you the tiny lemons and limes, and the top broke. I don't think I was very rough with it. That's a shame because these are really cute little containers. I'll have to put this one in a different container. These are little chocolate bits. And this one is supposed to look like coconut. This is what it looks like. This really actually smells like real coconut. Maybe it is real coconut. I don't want to taste it and find out. I'll definitely use this one. This is a mystery grab bag of charms that I added to my order. There's some things here that I'll probably use. I really like this little UFO. This is the last thing that I got, a big giant bag of pastel foam beads. Again, their packaging is really cute. I really like their logo. There's 8 different bags in here with different colors. I'll show them to you. These ones I think are supposed to be white, but some of them have a blue gradient and some of them don't. A bag of pink, yellow, really pretty purple, mint green, this is a peach color. So they're just simple foam beads, really lightweight. And then 2 bags of the multicolored beads. So that's everything that I got from this company. Some of it was a little bit ridiculous and some of it I'll definitely use. Let me know down in the comments below if there's something you'd really like to see me use in an upcoming video. And please like and subscribe, I really appreciate it. I'll see you soon. Bye.